Cambria County has always been a great place to live. And now it's a great place to do business with next-generation communications technology. Here's Cambria County Commissioner P.J. Stevens.
Cambria Connected, our wireless network, ushers in the future for Cambria County. Our citizens will benefit beyond our wildest dreams. It brings technology that we could have never imagined just a few years ago. This network will touch every citizen in Cambria County. Consider our students in one of our local schools receiving classroom instruction, perhaps from Europe. Or how about a doctor consulting from California, diagnosing a patient from Cambria County? This is huge. Every citizen in our county will be touched personally by this system. In county government, we're closely in touch with the people we serve, and it's incumbent upon us to always look for ways to save money, to be more efficient and effective. Therefore, we chose to explore this wireless opportunity in a way to generate revenues and to save money in county operations. Commissioners studied this project, and we selected Conxx simply because they had the right technology for Cambria County. We've been very impressed with Conxx, that the fact that they took the time to listen, study, and work with us in regard to the development, but also in midstream to be able to adapt to changing conditions and meeting the requirements that we needed. I believe that any county looking to provide these type of services to their constituents has to look at Conxx. It's a unique technology, it's cutting edge, but more importantly, it's adaptable to the future. It meets our needs today and is easily adaptable as our needs and requirements change. I don't believe there's a real comparison between Conxx technology and other solutions, simply because it meets all the requirements of a vast area, a rough terrain, and it's adaptable to the future. For example, the bandwidth can be expanded upon our growing needs. This is a win-win situation. Not only do we save money at the county level in our telecommunication cost, we expect approximately $250,000 a year in savings on that end, but the taxpayer is a stockholder also. Any revenues generated by this project reflects directly on the bottom line and will save them taxes. Public safety was a catalyst of this project. We were mandated to switch from a low band frequency to a high band. And in the process, in working with Conxx, we discovered that if we built the proper network for public safety, we could also add the commercial side, the internet side. When companies come to this area, they're looking for a few things. One is a low cost of living, a high quality of life. High-tech jobs are starting to develop here. Now, one of the key components moving forward will be low-cost communications. In this regard, we can offer dedicated broadband, as much bandwidth as a company may need. It's secure and it's cost effective. So that's as important to a company in establishing low cost rents. Low cost communication plays right to their bottom line. Today, we have many great companies that have come into this area. I believe this will be a key element in retaining these companies and growing jobs. Moving forward, however, we have a technology that rivals anything you may find in the large metropolitan areas. But with our low cost of living and our high quality of life here, we anticipate tremendous growth in business and industry simply because we have the proper infrastructure. The infrastructure of the 60s, 70s, and 80s was water and sewage. Today it's communications. We offer voice, data, and video communications simultaneously on a high-speed broadband network that is second to none. On the residential side, this is great because it's an open access system. First of all, it brings technology into the living room that we could have never dreamed of before. It's low cost in the fact that it's open access, so there'll be many providers sharing our network, providing these services, making it a very competitive market. And the consumer always wins when that's the case. They'll be able to have high-speed internet at a lower cost. They can have voice-over IP phone systems with unlimited long distance. And again, they'll not be held hostage by any one provider. We're pleased with our relationship with Conxx. They've delivered, they've stepped up to the plate. They're a great working partner. We are on the cutting edge.